Okay, we're in the Acty van, 1994 HH4 from the factory. This is the XDS version, and there's no release handle down here, and the window stops halfway down. I'm going to show you how to disable that latch so we can get it all the way down. Here are the tools you'll need: Phillips head, some trim tools, and there's trim pry tools, and this is the window crank spring clip release tool. We got this years ago for GM, old school GM product, and it works on this too. Screwdriver. Tool. I think this clips here, here, and there might be 4 across the bottom. I'm going to fast forward through this and you'll see what happens. All right, watch me struggle. Bottom clips are loose. 4 across the bottom and 2 on the sides. Now, this is the trickier part. Squeeze the handle, pull, and lift the top away from the sill. And we're in. Now, the area of interest is right behind that black sticker. From the factory, yours will be, Honda did it like this. Can't go down any further. On the fancier versions, the Street, Raccoon, etc., they had a pull tab here. Can you see that? They had the pull tab here. We were able to pull it and release it to get the window to drop all the way down. I'm going to show you how to disable that with a 1/4-20 screw, 1/2 inch long. Okay, here's the screw length. That's how they measure round head screws, at the thread length, not the overall length. 1/2 inch. We'll go 13 millimeter. A little longer, a little shorter might work. The diameter of the quarters is 1/4 inch or metric, possibly in M6. I know 1/4 works. You metric guys are on your own. Okay, here's something.
reach in back here. And when we're in here, you can feel the rail that the window glides in. And just about here, you can push that latch in and out. I don't know if you can see anything moving in there. But if you push that all the way in, see if I can do this simultaneous. With that retracted, I'm going to get our 1/4 screw, 1/2 inch long, put it in the hole, and it'll catch those the sides of the pull tab engagement portion. Thread it in, boop, just snug. Now, disabled. Okay, with our screw in place, stick the goo back in its spot. Weird ectoplasm stuff. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Temporary handle, window goes all the way down. For those fresh summer breezes. Install is reverse of removal.
To be aware of. This area, it was actually broken on mine before, probably some previous repair over in Japan, but careful with that. Just careful with some of these clips. They're almost 30 years old, so plastic could be brittle. Don't go whacking on the thing like a beanbag, but squeezing this to get the clip or the housing apart and to pull the panel. All right, here's the window all the way down to let those breezes in. Remember, perform this at your own risk. There's no risk, but you know, don't break anything. Don't leave the windows open when your kids are back there. I don't know. Have fun. Later.